Ipatutupad sa probinsya ng Kalinga ang isang proyekto para sa Climate Smart Nature-Based Farming Solutions. Isang kasunduan linagdaan ng kinauukulang stakeholders. Si Irene Signao para sa report.
Pumirma ng partnership agreements ang lokal na pamahalaan ng Kalinga, Kalinga State University, Gawidan Malinawaan Marketing Cooperative at ang Canada-based non-government organization na Socodevi para sa proyektong naglalayong palakasin ang coffee value chain sa lalawigan at gawing climate resilient at inclusive ang sektor. Ang nasabing mga stakeholder ay magtutulungan sa pagpapatupad ng Agsama Kape Project, isang 6 na taong strategic initiative na sinusuportahan ng Canadian government sa pamamagitan ng Global Affairs Canada na target matulungan ang mga coffee growers sa Cordillera Region at sa probinsya ng Nueva Vizcaya.
We want to strengthen the coffee value chain together for coffee. Ang ibig sabihin ng Agsama Kape, the meaning of Agsama Kape is together for coffee. So we really want to maximize the resources locally from the local government unit, the evidence-based research from the Kalinga State University, and then apply it to the coffee cluster in the Kalinga. And hopefully we can better the coffee value chain from the production side to marketing.
It aims to diversify your incomes. You'll be able to produce coffee and, most importantly, sell coffee and quality coffee at high prices despite climate change and despite other challenges.
Pinahayag naman ni Kalinga Governor James S. Eduba ang kanyang buong suporta sa proyekto. Ibinahagi rin niya ang pagsisikap ng probinsya na muling pasiglahin ang coffee industry sa pamamagitan ng mga inisyatiba tulad ng pagpapatayo ng farm-to-market roads sa ilalim ng Philippine Rural Development Project upang suportahan ang produksyon ng kape.
Our program also on PRDP, which is the Philippine Rural Development Program, is practically on coffee. And it's we've been emphasizing to farmers that we should now really go into coffee. And it is good now because we are now partnering with PSU in developing this one, and we are very thankful to Ma'am Joy for supporting this. And we would like to expand.
Mula sa PIA Kalinga, Irene Signao para sa PIA News Cordillera.